Hello guys, for today's vlog. Hello guys, for today's vlog, I'm gonna cook uh, my eggplant recipe. Simple but yummy. Yes. So, come on guys, watch and learn.
Just think about me.
There's my ingredients. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of eggplant. Then peel it up. Let's remove the cover. Yeah, there. Then as you can see there, I have egg, 2 pieces egg. Then calamansi. Uh, I will shoot it later. Okay. So yeah. Slice the eggplant into, divide it into 4 to 6 pieces. Slice it. There you go. Then there, put it in a basin with water to avoid the darkening of color. There. Then rinse it with water after. Then pour flour on the plate. I bought it in the store. It cost only 5 pesos. Then we have 1, 2, 3 plates. Then put the eggplant on the flour. Then as you can see, my mother beating the egg. And there you go. Then scrambled it. And my mother rinse it with water, clean water. There you go. There. Then I put it on a flour. After putting it on the flour, I pour it on the egg, which my mother scrambled late recently. Then put it in breadcrumbs. Yeah, roll it over there. Then there you go. Put it in another plate, ready for frying. That's the only way. That's my only way of preparing it. So am I ready to fry eggplant recipe? Alright, there you go. Two plates because it's too many. Dito kawali na no?
Pero sayang yung pungango.
Stir fry it and then let it be in a color brown. There, almost done. So you can see. Alright, let's put another egg in a pan again. There you go. Bye.
Kahit yung karton. Yan. Para magbugan. Make it brown. This is my sauce. Sauce ko po. Toyo. Soy sauce. Chili. Optional. And kalamansi.
Nope. Kaya. Yung laso na yan.
Pepper. So that's it. My simple crispy eggplant. This is it, guys. Right? And this is the sauce. First bite. Thank you, Lord. Yummy. My finished product. Crispy fried eggplant sauce. So I'm done, guys. I challenge Ate Blue Snow and Chong Aaron Vlogs TV to do this challenge. There, pinagpawisan. Alright, bye-bye.